Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we use this AI agent to capture and connect high-intent leads on LinkedIn completely on autopilot. So we're currently using this system internally, and it brings us about 5 meetings per day per account. Let's get it started and help you set it up in under 10 minutes. Most people still don't know how to leverage the power of AI to do outreach. Perhaps you are still sending out your connection invite to the list you find from Apollo or Clay or LinkedIn search results. And you notice that it's not working. The performance is not good, or you are not booking calls like crazy because you're basically just blasting out your connection invite to a random group of people and praying they will get back to you. So this does not work. Our AI agent will capture a bunch of warm leads out for you, go through every profile one by one, review it and enrich it with the signals that you want to track and give it the opportunity score. And we will only send out your AI personalized message to those people who have a high opportunity score, and also send follow-up message to them. So the very first step on the system is to input your website URL. And for now, I input Beeze.ai. So the system can learn about your business and the problem you're solving, who your ICP is. So like this is how the system learn about my business. You can definitely edit it a bit. It will save as your company profile. So it's also a knowledge base of helping the system to build your outreach campaign. The next step is to start a new campaign. Here you can see we have about 42 connection rate currently. To start a new campaign, normally you will go through 4 steps. First step is to select one of the LinkedIn accounts and connect with it. So the system can help you send out connection invite. Next step is to add leads into your database. So here we can help you bulk capture leads from LinkedIn search results. How you work with system is just like how exactly you work on LinkedIn search. You will input your search terms and adapt some filters, and it will appear a bunch of profiles for you to validate and connect with. It works exactly the same on our system. But the difference is you can input as much search terms as possible. We go through every LinkedIn search link to capture all the profiles out bulkily for you. For example, we have these 10 keywords and we have 3 different locations. It will create 10 times 3, which is 30 LinkedIn search link, and we'll capture all the profiles out. And there is also, I think, an option that is really helpful. If there are some industry leader in your niche and you want to scrape their followers, you can also use this feature. You can put as much LinkedIn industry leaders profiles in this section. We will also go through your profiles and find people with these key search terms in these locations. Next step is to set up your filters and intent signals. This part is really crucial for us to help you filter out people that you don't need from the profiles we just scraped out, and then enrich the rest of the leads with the signals that you want to track. For example, for the LinkedIn results we capture out, perhaps there are many people with different company size. So you can filter them with company size or followers counts, or if you only want to find people with LinkedIn Premium, you can also set it up. Or maybe different years of experience. There are many different kind of basic filters to set up and help you exclude people that you don't want. And I think something that is most special about our platform is intent signals. You can also set out different kind of signals that you want to track. Perhaps it's career change or social engagement. For example, if they have been posting about keywords that you want to track, or they have been engaged about keywords that is related to your niche, or maybe their company is posting about funding or expansion or any different kinds of keywords you want to track, you can just work with the AI agent on the right-handed side and ask it to help you set it up. For example, you want to track if they have just got promoted in 3 months, because this is a strong signal for them to search for new solutions or new service. I want to track and see if this person just got promoted in 3 months. And you can also tell this AI how important this signal is. We have 3 different importance levels. Give it 1 star. To help you add this signal on, we'll track recent promoted within 3 months. This is really crucial to help us go through every profile and give your profile a score. So the final step is to set up your invite message. And on our system, we can help you send out highly AI personalized message. We have 2 different types of variables. Basic variables like names, companies, job titles, variables that you can see on other platforms. But something that is really special on our platform is we have AI variables. You can define what you want to show by simply setting up your prompt. So you can say, based on this person's profile information, I want to compliment on this person's recent promotion, or I want to give their recent post a little compliment. You can decide whatever message you want the AI to generate for you. Just simply type in natural language and the AI will help you set the variable up. For example, on my message here, I say, hi, name, And here's an AI method. Let's take a look on the variable here. Write a personalized opening based on this person's profile position and headline, and with a short and natural question to see if they are interested in our service and if they are open to a quick conversation. And you can also set some requirements to make the AI produce the message you want to send. This is an example of AI generating a full message for me. But of course, you can base on your template and replace part of your template with AI variable to make it partially personalized, but also based on the template that you already believe it works. We also have fallback message, and this feature is to prevent AI hallucinate. For example, sometimes you will ask AI to base on their post to generate the message, but perhaps this person did not post in recent months. This AI will automatically help you send out the fallback message, and it won't hallucinate and produce some unrelevant message. And we also have some follow-up message whenever they accept your connection invite but didn't reply your message. The system will automatically send that follow-up message for you. After you set everything up, you can finish the setup and you can review the results here. There are like 3,000 leads captured all in your database. The AI agent will take about 30 minutes to prep for your outreach list for today. And they'll go through the profiles and enrich it with the signals you want to track and get the different opportunity scores. You can always check the opportunity score and reason behind why this person scored high on the dashboard. And you can also review the message that AI generated that prep for you to send out. If you want to modify it a bit, you can always click into the message and do some modifications. After you ensure everything is ready to send, you can press start sending, and all of the connection invite will send out on your ideal point. You will receive email notification every day within this high intent leads that the system prepared for you. So you can decide either you want to come back to the system and review the leads to make sure it is the leads that you want to send out, and maybe tweak the message a bit. Or you can decide to do it totally hands-free if you believe the system is already stable and the setup is stable. So the system will send out all the connection invite automatically for you, 100% hands-free. And of course, you can come back to the filter, the signal, or the message to do any modification as you like to make the system more stable day by day with the results you get. We also have an email enrich feature where you can enrich them with emails. You can decide whether you want to further nurture them after a connection invite send, or outside of LinkedIn's weekly send limit. You want to send more cold emails out, you can definitely leverage our platform to enrich more emails and prepare a bunch of warm leads and send it out. I think that's all for today's session. So you can unlock free 7-day trial with the link below. And also feel free to reach out to me whenever you need my help, you have any questions, or bump into any issues. So let's keep in touch. Bye.